In this tutorial, we will be working with the commands in our fonts commands group and some commands in our paragraph commands group. To enhance the design of your document and make your text stand out, you can use various commands in the fonts commands group. To apply a command to text that's already on your page, select your text and simply choose a command that you want. If you're unsure what a command does, hover over the command and you'll see a white box pop up that tell you the name of the command and a description of what the command does. Change your font style by selecting your text and going up to the Fonts Commands group. Click the drop-down arrow to view more font styles. You can also select your text and use the Fonts Commands box that pops up next to your text, or you can select your text and right-click and that same box will pop up. If you want to change your font style, click and type in your desired font size or choose a font size from the drop-down menu. You can also use the up and down arrow keys next to your font size to increase or decrease your font size. To change the color of your text, select your text, go to your font color icon and click the down arrow to see more options. Then choose the color you wish to change it to. To make your text stand out a little more, you might want to add bold, italicized, and underline to your text. If you see a little arrow next to a command, that means there's more options. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the alignment so it's completely centered. So if you go to your paragraph commands group, you have 4 alignment commands in your paragraph commands group. So I'm going to change it to center. Now I'm going to select my text on the next page and I'm going to make the entire selection centered. Next, I'm going to change the font style of the name of my restaurant. And I'm going to make it larger so it stands out a little more. And I'm also going to change the font style of my text here. And I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller so it all fits on one page. The next thing I'm going to do is apply some text effects to the name of my restaurant. So I'm going to select the name of my restaurant, go up to my text effects icon, and then I'm going to choose a font style. And then I'm going to go in and I'm also going to change the outline of my text. And I'm also going to change my text color to red. And I'm going to try to put a glow around my text so it stands out just a little bit more. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a highlight to my phone number because I really want that to stand out on my business card. So I'm going to go up to highlight. I'm going to click the down arrow to see my options. I'm going to hover over to see how it looks. And I'm going to choose the green one so it matches the theme of my logo and the front of my business card.